This little device will make you one of the happiest pool owners in the world. It is a nudge paddle, and let me explain to you how it works. The nudge paddle is a simple device that stops your pulsating pool cleaner from getting stuck. The nudge paddle consists of two parts, the fin and the float. The circular cutouts on the fin fits on your pool cleaner hose, and the float keeps the nudge paddle horizontal in the water. The nudge paddle has a tri-action operation. It adds 3 variables to your pool cleaner's movement, and that solves the problem. First, the pulsating action of the hose causes a paddle action that pushes the hose away from the position your pool cleaner gets stuck. When you put your hand behind the fin, you can actually feel the thrust. Second, the nudge paddle separates the hose from the side of the pool in the critical area. Once the hose pushes against the side of the pool, the chances of the cleaner getting stuck increases dramatically. As you can see, no pulling or pushing on the pipe will bring it closer to the side. The third action is caused by the water circulation in the pool. The fin provides a surface for the moving water to push against. This force helps to keep the hose moving laterally. One last thing, the nudge paddle action is a slow action. Be patient and give it time to do its work. Therefore, in a nutshell, when my hose moves, my pool cleaner moves. No more frustration of your pool cleaner sitting in a corner and not doing its work. When my pump runs, my pool cleaner moves. For me, the nudge paddle is worth its weight in gold.